Can you help me do this?
Sure. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to put up this tent.
Oh, it's easy. Let me show you what to do.
Wow, that was so easy for you.
Yeah, I was in the army. We do this all the time.
Do you have any paper clips?
There are some at my desk.
I'm sorry, I don't see them.
Oh, they are in the drawer.
This one? The top one?
No, the next one. That one.
Okay, found them. Thanks.
Why are you home so late?
My boss made me stay late today.
Why did she do that?
I had to help her write a letter in French.
Oh, that was nice of you.
Well, she made me do it. She's the boss.
Your mom is so nice.
Yeah, she is now. But she was really strict when I was younger.
Really? How so?
Well, for one, she never let me watch TV or eat sugar.
Wow, that is strict.
And she made me study at least 4 hours a day, even if I did not have homework.
Wow, that sounds like tough love. Did you get a new car?
No, my friend is letting me use his.
What happened to your car?
It is getting repairs.
Lucky you. This is a nice car.
Well, he made me promise I'd be careful with it.
Is your town a nice place to live?
Yes, there are many nice places in my town.
Oh, yeah? What, for example?
Well, we have many nice parks and many nice restaurants.
What about cafes? I like to study at cafes.
We have a few cafes, but they are not great.
Do you want to go to the movies on Friday?
I can't. I don't have much money right now.
That is okay. I can pay for you.
Oh, that's sweet of you to offer. But I don't have much free time either.
Oh? Are you busy?
Yes, I have many assignments for school.
Okay. Maybe next time. Do you have a bike I can borrow?
Yeah, I have one, but it's very old.
Does it run well?
Yeah, it works, but it might need a new tire.
You know, I think I have one in the garage.
Perfect. Then you are all set.
Would you like a cookie?
I would love one. Did you make them yourself?
No, I bought them at the store.
They look delicious.
Oh, I hope you enjoy them. Do you have a pen I can use?
Yes, you can use this one.
Thanks. I'll give it right back.
That's okay. You can keep it.
Oh, I just need it for a bit.
Really, keep it. I never use that one anyway.
Do you like cream with your coffee?
Yes, but not too much.
What about sugar?
Yes, I like my coffee sweet.
How many sugar cubes?
2 should be enough.
Do you have any lettuce?
Just a little, but not much.
How about tomatoes?
We have a few. Why?
I want to make a salad.
Could do. We have lots of cucumbers and a few onions.
Let's make an omelet. How many eggs do we have?
A dozen. We do not have much oil, though.
It's okay. We have some cooking spray. Do we have any cheese or ham?
We have some cheese, but not much ham, I'm afraid.
That's okay. I can use tomatoes.
Great. We have too many, and they will spoil soon.
How much honey do we have?
Not much, but some.
How many bananas?
We have a few, I think. Why?
I want to make a sandwich.
With bananas and honey?
Do you have any kids?
I don't. And you?
I do have kids, but they are all grown now.
Do they live near you?
They did live near me, but they moved.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too. They do still visit a lot, though.
Did you see them over the holidays?
I did see them. We had a really nice time together. Do you watch much TV?
I do watch a lot of TV.
What do you watch?
I watch dramas. And you?
I rarely watch TV. I do watch the news sometimes, though.
How depressing. The news always makes me feel sad.
Yeah, it does get depressing sometimes. Do you cook much?
I do cook a lot.
What do you cook?
Just easy stuff like pasta dishes. And you?
I don't cook much. I do cook breakfast, though.
Really? I never cook breakfast.
Breakfast is the best meal of the day. Why don't you like breakfast?
I do like breakfast. I just don't have time to cook it. My husband does make me pancakes sometimes, though.
Do you like sports?
No, but I do like golf.
Golf?
You don't like golf?
I did like it when I was younger, but not now.
Oh, I love it. Why don't you like it anymore?
It's just too expensive.
True, it does cost a lot to play.